Welcome you all. In today's literature, we are going to discuss here elements of fiction. आज हम elements of fiction की बात करेंगे. What things are required to write a fiction or novel? First, in this video, we will discuss what is fiction. After that, we will discuss one by one elements of the fiction. Let's begin the topic. Fiction writing is a narrative writing that involves elements of plot, character created entirely by author. Yes, friends, fiction is a unreal things which is away from the reality, and it is totally based on the thought and imagination of an author or novelist who is going to write that fiction work fictional work that is called. So it is a fictional things, and in fictional things, plot, characters who are not real, away from the reality, that things is entirely created by author or novelist. There are many different forms of fiction here we have, and we will discuss few important and most important elements of the fiction here in this video. The first, plot is simply a series of events that makes up the narrative action of a story. Yes, ये नरेशन के फॉर्म में होता है. जो भी प्लॉट एक फिक्शनल वर्क का होता है, वो नैरेटिव एक्शन ऑफ अ स्टोरी होती है. एंड प्लॉट इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ फिक्शन जनरली रिवॉल्व्स around rising action, followed by turning point, followed by falling action, denouement, and at the end of the story. So a plot has few things which are very required. It should have a rising action, means the story must have elevated action. उस तरीके की स्टोरी होनी चाहिए जिसमें एक एक पीक पे जो भी स्टोरी चल रही होती है वो होना चाहिए. एंड दैट देयर मस्ट बी अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन दैट स्टोरी, एंड ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग एक्शन, एंड एट द लास्ट इट शुड हैव अ denouement at the end of the story. So overall, plot is simply a series of events in a narrative form that makes story, and it should have rising action, turning point, falling action, and at last it must have denouement. Next we have, novels are driven by fictional characters. Depending on the scope of a novel, may you may follow one central character, several major characters. Most novels fully formed are round characters who resembles real human beings. Yes, characters जो होते हैं, they have round characters, flat characters, simple characters, and even complex characters we found in a flat characters we found in the novel. और जो round characters होते हैं, they look like real human beings, and they offer significant change over the course of story. they there have been some kinds of changes you will see in the round characters. Not, you will see that from starting to the end of the story they are not the same. वो एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. जो भी राउंड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं फिक्शनल वर्क में, उसमें उनके बिहेवियर में, उनके नेचर में कुछ चेंजेस आपको मिलेगा विद द passes of the story, with the same time at the story is rising action. A genre novel will likely to have also minor characters. Yes, minor characters भी होते हैं who are known as flat character, who don't go undergo significant changes. Yes, flat characters or minor characters are those who are in the fictional work, but they do not have anything to do with the story, and also in their behavior you will not see any kind of changes from starting to the end of the novel. You will see that character has the same nature what they are from the starting. But the round characters, they have some kinds of changes, some circumstances or some conditions gives them a chance to change their behavior and their nature in the novel. So characters and plots we had discussed here. Now let's discuss another element of fictional work. The theme is one of the important characteristic of a novel, and a writer it is very hard for a writer to find a proper and meaningful theme for the work for his work to write or to a novel, and that theme must have some kinds of motive, some kinds of message that can give to that can directly impart to the readers who are going through the novels and fictional work. And that theme must have related to a everyday life of the people and the world around us, that is not so much real, but it had something fictional, fictitious works and unreal things, but they should have relate related with the everyday life of the people and readers. And with the theme, all the other elements of the fictional work and that work very properly, because if you have a good theme, then your characters and your plot will go according to that, and they will give some creativity to the readers, some live things to the reader, and some interesting things to the readers. That is very important for a theme. It must have a meaningful story. It must have related to the everyday life of the people, even in the unreal way, but relate it has some points, little things to relate with the everyday life and the situation, the world, the conditions, what is going around us. Next we have and setting primary story elements found in fiction. Setting dictates location and time period of a story. Yes, this is about the setting, that where the action is taking place or where the story is taking place, that is related to the setting. It is going on a single day, it is the story of a single day or of a particular place, or it is a story of a flashback or or a 1 or 2 day 3 days stories. So setting is very important, and setting is related to the लोकेशन, पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, कहाँ की बात हो रही है, किस कंट्री पे या किस सिटी पे बेस्ड ऑन है ये स्टोरी, और वो स्टोरी को नॉवलिस्ट ने किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया है बिफोर द रीडर्स। बिकॉज स्टोरी में आप एक पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी, एक पर्टिकुलर सिटी की स्टोरी की बात वो कर रहा है, बट ही इज ऑन द सेम टाइम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्लैशबैक ऑफ दैट टाइम, ऑफ द पास्ट टाइम ऑफ प्रीवियस टाइम, उसकी बातें भी वो सेम टाइम कर रहा है। सो सेटिंग इज रिलेटेड टू द लोकेशन एंड द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ अ स्टोरी when the story is taking place, it is going on a single day or it is related to the previous days or past things or a flashback story. Now next we have another elements, and another element we have here, that is point of view. In point of view you will see in which the writer choose to write a story or novelist choose to write a story, in which form he is going to tell you story, किस तरीके से, किस फॉर्म में, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन, किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो आपके सामने स्टोरी को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एंड देयर आर मेन three POVs we have in writings, that is the first is first person, second person, and another one is third person. And mostly friends you will see that the story are narrated or told by the writer or novelist in first or third person. फर्स्ट या थर्ड पर्सन में, या तो वो स्टोरी किसी कैरेक्टर के थ्रू आपको बता रहा है, या वो राइटर जो नॉवलिस्ट है स्टोरी को, अपने प्लॉट को अपने खुद के ऊपर बेस्ड ऑन करके अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करके आपके सामने रख करके आपको स्टोरी को बता रहा है. एंड ओकेजनली, and this thing in the storytelling by the novelist or writer in a first or third person is related to the processes of reader's mind, how he takes that story, किस तरीके से वो स्टोरी को ले रहा है, and how that story is influencing to the readers. If the narrator is the third person, narrate कर रहा है third person में, then that have a objectivity and tone of narration, aloof that tone of narration. If the person is telling or the writer is telling the story in first person, then it have a some kind of intimacy with the readers. ये एक readers के mind में intimacy, closeness create करेगा अपने novelist के लिए, अपने readers के लिए जो उस चीज को पढ़ रहा है. Next we have style. स्टाइल इज अ क्रिएटिव राइटिंग स्टार्ट विद अ वर्ड चॉइस। यस, किस स्टाइल में स्टोरी को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है राइटर नॉवेलिस्ट रीडर्स के सामने, रीडर्स के लिए, दैट इज द selection of words, what selection of words he is telling a story, in what selection of words he is using to present a story before the readers, that is called style. And there is no kinds of guidelines and rules are that to be followed by the novelist, by the writers, to write a fictional work. In novel there is no सर्टेन गाइडलाइंस, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर रूल नहीं है, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर गाइडलाइंस नहीं है कि आपको इस तरीके के वर्ड्स यूज करने हैं, इस तरीके से आपको लाइंस यूज करनी है। दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन राइटिंग अ नॉवल। Like you will see that in writing or composing a poem, you have to follow the metrical structure and the rhythmic structure of the poem. And if the dramatist is writing a tragedy, then he has to use some kinds of serious words, some kinds of scenes that create seriousness in the audiences. And if a comic drama is written, then there has a comicness and there has a laughter, there has a things टोन, वेरी लाइट टोन यूज्ड बाय द ड्रामेटिस्ट। बट नॉवेल लिखने में कोई ऐसे सर्टेन रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करना है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई it is up to the novelist, up to the writers, what kinds of words he is using, and to create a interesting and create curiosity in the minds of the readers. This is all about related to the style. So, friends, this was all we had discussed here, the elements of fiction in this particular video. And please wait for the next video. Check out the other videos uploaded on this channel. And thank you very much for watching this.